Take a look at probably our most popular selling Corvette model here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 2003 50th anniversary Corvette Coupe. Of course, in anniversary red metallic, which is a deep kind of ruby metallic, nice looking color on a Vette, and again, very popular model here. This particular car, a little over 52,000 miles on it. Let you take a look at the nose cone. Check out the front of this car. You can see, nice shape. I mean, yeah, are you going to find a few little spots with 50,000 miles on it that a previous owner maybe touched up a little bit? Yes, but overall, you can see the paint on this car. Nice shape, and if I see any blemishes, I'll kind of try to point them out, give you an idea, and you'll be able to see the still pictures here too. I'll tell you where to find those in a bit. One other thing I wanted to note, this did have a General Motors buyback on it for customer satisfaction. That was back with 13,400 miles on it. Was repaired to GM standards and has been driven another 40,000 miles since. So just want to make you aware of that. Underneath the hood, 5.7 liter V8, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, would have a 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see under the hood of this car, you can check out the interior, underside, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And you can always call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the factory anniversary shale colored wheels. Take a look up and down passenger side of the car. You can see it's pretty free of nicks and dings or scratches. Shale leather interior, bucket seats, center console with a shifter, that automatic transmission. This particular car does have both tops. Right now I have the smoked transparent top in. As you can see, it also has kind of your privacy netting that covers up the cargo space in the back, and the color to match top is also in there, and you're going to be able to see that in the still pictures. The other thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. I have not seen any modifications to exhaust, engine, anything like that on this car either. And again, you can see those underside pics, so you can see it for yourself at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Take a look up and down the driver's side. Again, see, it's really pretty much free of much for nicks, dings, or scratches. I did notice a little touched up spot right up here. I'll point that out, but it was nicely done. It's very tough to get it to show up, a little spot there. Let's go ahead and check out this interior. Now, for some of the equipment on this car, you would, of course, have the Bose stereo. Pull that key a second so we don't have to worry about that. Bose stereo, of course, memory seating, power mirrors, power windows, power locks. You have heads-up display. This would have dual electronic climate control. You're also going to have the magnetic selective ride control, power seats both sides, and the still pictures you're also going to see 12 CD changer that is in the back cargo compartment. As far as floor mats, it's a nice shale colored 50th anniversary floor mat there. And then take a look at the seating too. You can see the bolster is not all worn, ripped, torn, full of holes, anything like that. Shale interior, nice shape. Let's go ahead and start this up. Check out the exact miles. There it is, 52,047. You're also going to notice that there is no warning indicators, check engine lights, anything like that. Just a seatbelt light. Heads-up display controls over here. That works. You can see it right up there in the windshield. Driver's information center controls. Of course, here's your electronic dual climate control, AM/FM cassette in the head unit, and then that CD changer in the rear cargo compartment. magnetic selective ride control, all the goodies in this one. Check out the dash. You can tell the car has been stored inside. Slip around to the back so you can hear this one run. Again, what you'd expect a stock anniversary Corvette to sound like. All right, I'm going to pause this 1 second. Let me get this hood open quick. Check out that engine bay and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, there we go, hood popped. 5.7 liter V8. Stock engine. Sounds good, nice and tidy engine bay. Really no surprises under here. Slip around to the other side here a second. Get a look from the passenger side. Again, really nothing out of the ordinary that I see. Looks good, sounds good. All right. One last thing I want to do. We get questions on this once in a while. Whoops, sorry about that. Headlights up. All good. There you go. Headlights work fine. 2003 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Both removable tops, a little over 50,000 miles. Automatic transmission car. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.